저기요. 맥주 한 잔 더 주세요. Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyo. I'm here to show you new weekly whiteboard animation for you to improve your Korean. So I'm gonna show you how to break down each sentence step by step of two people having a conversation in a restaurant. But first, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Let's get started. 뭐 더 필요하세요? 반찬 좀 더 갖다 주세요. 다른 것은요? 맥주 한 잔 더 주세요. Now let's break down the sentences. More, what? 더, more. Let's take a look at this summary. There are many different syllables that look like the but have different meanings. 더 is more, 다, all, 도, also, 또, again. 더, 다, 도, 또. 필요하 is from 필요하다 as dictionary form to need. 세요 is polite ending in question. This phrase translates to what do you need more? You in this case is omitted, and you can also interpret this as is there anything else you need? 반찬, side dishes. Korean food comes with side dishes. You could usually request for more side dishes in South Korea. Some, 좀, 더, more. 갖다 주 is from dictionary form 갖다 주다, to bring. 세요 is please after a syllable that ends with a vowel. This phrase translates to please bring some more side dishes. Here is the KSTYLEYO official website where there are many free courses. Subscribe to the newsletter so that you get a summarized grammar of each weekly video. Enjoy! 다른, different. You could interpret it as other, 것, thing. 은 is comparison particle. Usually it's referred as subject particle, but since the restaurant employee already asked the question if there is anything else you need, in this case it's comparing to the first question. You can think of it as how about in this context. Yo is just polite ending. This phrase translates to how about other things? 맥주, beer. 한 is in the Korean number system. Since it's used with a counting unit, 하나 became 한. 잔, glass counting unit. 더, more. 주 is from 주다, to give. 세요, please. This phrase translates to please give me one more glass of beer. Now let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 뭐 더 필요하세요? 반찬 좀 더 갖다 주세요. 다른 것은요? 맥주 한 잔 더 주세요. If you like this video today, here is the video I'd like for you to watch, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!